Hey friends, welcome back to Explogz. Today's recipe is a delicious prawns biryani. Come, let's see how it can be made. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then do subscribe and show us some love. We will begin with the preparation of the prawns first. So here I'm taking prawns 750 grams. I have cleaned and deveined it. 1 teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste. Salt according to taste. Turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon. Red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon. Garam Masala, quarter teaspoon. Mix everything and leave it to marinate for a minimum of 15 to 20 minutes. Moving on, here I have a pan for frying the prawns. Add oil and fry the prawns on medium to low heat for about 10 to 12 minutes. Once the water has dried completely and the prawns are nice and crispy, remove from heat and set aside. Next, we will move on to make the gravy. For this, we will need oil, approximately half a cup. Next, I'm adding the whole spices, cinnamon 1 inch, cardamom 3 pods and cloves 2 pods. Allow for the flavors to infuse through. Next, we will add 4 onions chopped. Cook on medium to high flame until the onions brown well. As the onions have evenly browned, next I'm adding ginger and garlic paste 3 teaspoons. Fry for about a minute or two on medium to low heat. Add tomatoes 3 finely chopped. Mix well and cook on medium to low heat until the tomatoes get mushy. After about 5 minutes, I'm adding salt 1 teaspoon, red chilli powder 1 teaspoon. Mix well and cook on low to medium heat for about 2 minutes. Next, I'm adding 3 green chilies, half a cup of thick curd. Mix everything well and allow to simmer on low to medium heat until it all forms into a gravy. Coriander leaves half a cup, mint leaves half a cup, once it all comes together and starts to form like a thick gravy, we will move on to add the prawns. Adding these marinated and fried prawns gives an amazing flavor to the biryani. After adding the prawns, simmer on low flame for 5 to 8 minutes for the flavors to infuse through. So our gravy is ready, we will move on to making the rice. Here I have taken a large vessel with enough water. Next I am adding salt 3 tablespoons. Once the water comes to a boil, I will add the rice. I have used Zeera Samba rice 1 kg. You can also use basmati, both work just fine. Zeera Samba has a unique flavor which goes very well with these types of biryanis. Zeera Samba rice cooks pretty fast, so keep an eye. It took me about 10 minutes for the rice to be done 3/4. The rice I used was pretty new, so it cooked faster. The older the rice, it would take longer to cook. Once it's 3/4 done, strain the water. Add the strained rice directly to the prawns biryani gravy and mix carefully. I'm adding some fried onions, coriander, and mint leaves on top. Leave it on dum for a minimum of 15 minutes. So our delicious prawns biryani is ready. Mix it before serving well. The amazing flavor of the biryani in combination with the prawns was just too good. Also, the Zeera Samba rice gives the biryani a very unique flavor. So, do try this recipe and let us know how it turned out. Until next time, bye bye.